Good evening. This video is, good evening. Mr. Richard Jones, the Welsh lockpicker, has a request, and that request is pick a lock while doing something with the Welsh theme. I do have some Welsh harp music playing. However, even though I have a little bit of Welsh in me from my mother's side, I do not speak or read Welsh. It looks like a bunch of W's, E's, B's, U's, and O's. And, well, I do speak gibberish on occasion. Not that kind of gibberish. I do have one Welsh thing. And that one Welsh thing are sheep noises. So, I will see if I can attempt to pick a lock while making sheep noises. Okay, this should be interesting. Okay. Okay. That was too quick. Let's see if I can do that again with a different pick. And it's important to be klutz once a day. Damn sheep. Yes, you. Okay, that's a lock picked twice while making sheep noises. Ooh. I love these video ideas. It's awesome. Thank you for this Welsh idea. I knew being part Welsh would be inspiring at some point in my life. Back in the door with you. Have a good evening, no matter what time it is.
Brother, what's that? Protein. What's that? What's that, brother?